Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Sumanth Latest Tech. In this video, I am going to show you about MX Player and all other additional features of MX Player. In this video, I am going to show you. I know you all know about MX Player, but in this video, I am telling in depth. So watch this video fully to know how. And I have given the app link in the description. Go there and check out. And you can see here, if you want to join beta, you can simply go here and click here, join beta. So you will be a beta member of this app. So I have already installed this app. Now I'll open. Hey guys, now our YouTube channel is getting 1k subscribers. We are short of only one subscriber. So if you still did not get subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the red color subscribe button and click on all notifications to receive all notifications from our YouTube channel. And if we get 1000 subscribers, live chat option will be enabled. So as you can see in many big YouTubers, if they do live, many people send money through this live chat, super chat and all. So this will be enabled for our YouTube channel also. Thank you for supporting. Share this video with your friends. The app interface looks like this. As you can see here, my all files in this mobile I can see here. And first I will go to options, click on me. As you can see here, downloads, watch history, watch list, everything will be available here. As you can see, data saver is there. This is very good option you have to enable. So it optimizes auto selection in online videos, so your data will be saved while watching movies in this MX player. And dark theme is also available. This is a very good option in MX player. Click here and enable the dark theme. I think so you all like this dark theme. And you enable dark data saver also. This is very useful. As you can see here, many of the movies will come here, which you will see in most commonly in Gemini. All movies will be available here, which are available in Sun Next. Everything will be available here. Like this app very much, and you can simply click on music and you can listen many songs, albums are available here. Still they are adding the music by Ghana. It's showing. As you can see here, many albums are available here. You can listen to them. And here you can see, click on video and go to web shows. As you can see, Telugu web shows will be available here. That is very interesting. And click on TV, so you can watch all TV serials and all here. This is very good option from MX Player, a step forward for development. And as you can see here, you can save your WhatsApp statuses in MX Player. This is very useful feature, friends. So give the permission to your MX Player when it's asking any permission of phone and storage. So as you can see here, my MX Quick Player newly added and all you can see here. WhatsApp status server, as you can see, I'm clicking here. Simple things. They will give some gold coins. You have to redeem them. For login, I have got 100 coins. Like the daily check-in, now I will get 10 coins now. Yeah, like this you will earn. I have totally 230 coins. I'm clicking on here redeem. As you can see here, you can buy some premium HD quality movies with this money. As you can see here, or else you can buy these coupons also. Redeem 350 is there minimum value. 50 is also there. If you want, you can redeem these coupons also. Mintra is there. 300 rupees flat discount coupon is there. That is very good. Or else you can buy premium quality HD movies here. This is very good. As you can see here, many movies are there. As you can see, if you buy anything, it will come to this box. My redemptions box is there. Here it will come. So still there are many other features in this MX player. So if you join the beta version, you can see many more. And as you can see, if you don't like the dark theme, again click here. Again, if you don't want the data saver also, again click here. It will be turned off. And if you want to change any settings here, you can just go to this options and click on the settings. Here many settings will be available for this app. I know these all settings, I think so maximum. Yeah, these all options are very useful. If you use and tell me, it will be good. Tell me which option you like the most. So guys, comment below in this YouTube video and let me know your experiences and which feature you like the most. Mention in the comments. I will definitely reply for your comment. And this is for this video. Thank you for watching. And my before video was about Google Sound Amplifier. Watch that video fully also and share this video with your friends and like, share and subscribe. Sumanth Latest Tech. Thank you for watching. Meet you in my next YouTube video.